How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll guide you through on how we can unfollow everyone at once on Instagram application. So let's go on with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bells to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do so, you may just head over to your profile by clicking on the bottom right of the screen. You will be taken to your profile page here. So here, in order to unfollow everyone at once, you may just tap on your following section here. So when you tap on your following section, you'll be seeing all of your following here. See all of your following here, which is sorted by default. You may just sort it by your latest or your earliest as well. So in order to remove each and every following all at once, unfortunately Instagram doesn't have that feature available right now. Maybe in the future that feature will be available, but for now we don't have that feature. So what you can do is simply click on this three dot beside each of the following. After that, you can find this unfollow section here at the bottom. Just click on it, confirm it, and remove your following manually. Just click on each of one following. After that is done, your following should be removed. So that's the only way you can remove your following for now at the moment. So follow those steps in order to remove your following. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.